I'm sorry.
You're late.
I
You're
know.
always
I'm
late.
sorry.
You're like a
I
genius.
love you. I just couldn't get away.
Okay, fine.
Can I just...
Sure.
God, I'm so nervous.
You'll be fine.
I remember when your mom used to perform down here when we were little. She was always so unbelievably good.
Yeah.
Won't you kind of hate that I'm performing here now?
She'll love it.
And they're really coming, both of them?
That's what she says, although you never really know with my mother.
What's he like?
Who? Sherborne?
Of course.
Jesus, I don't know.
Come on, you've met like a bazillion famous people with your mom, and I've never met anyone, so I'm curious.
He's quiet. Quiet and unassuming in that really assuming way that makes sure you can't help but notice how humble he is.
Love his work.
I didn't know you'd read any.
Well, not that much, just the Laughing Dog Laughed and the Stark Naked Hunter's first book of short stories, but they are amazing.
I've never read any.
Really?
Really?
You've
Why?
never read any of them?
No.
Not even since he and your mom have been...
Especially since he and my mom have been, you know.
No. Sometimes I don't think I understand you at all.
Perfect.
Or your play, for that matter.
Perfect.
What if they won't talk when they're supposed to?
They will.
But what if they won't?
Then they won't.
Well, what if they hate it?
Then I'll shoot myself in the head. They won't hate it.
What if they hate me?
No, you are perfect in it. Radiant, ideal. They'll all fall in love with you, trust me.
I do.
Good.
Oh, wow! Holy cowsy notes, look at that seagull! She's so elegant, and I've never seen one so amazingly white before. She's almost glowing in the sunset.
Yeah, she's really pretty.
Just look at her, Con, just flying up there above everything, not a care in the world. Almost breaks my heart a little bit. And it looks like we are wearing the same dress.
Are you ready?
I think so.
Good. You're awesome.
And you are a genius.
And you are my only muse.
Enjoy this.
You enjoy it.
No, you.
You like art even if it's depressing?
Oh.